In this video, we will talk about how to fix Bluetooth headphones connected but no sound Windows 11. Method 1. Set as default output. Right-click on sound icon. Select Sound Settings. Under Output, choose your Bluetooth device. If it's missing, scroll it down, click on More Sound Settings. In Playback tab, select your Bluetooth speaker. Click on Set Default. Now check if the sound works. Method 2. Disable audio enhancements. Right-click on sound icon. Select Sound Settings. Scroll it down. Select More Sound Settings. Right-click on your Bluetooth device. Select Properties. Click on Enhancements tab. Check Disable all enhancements. Click on Apply and OK. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth headphones connected but no sound Windows 11. See you in the next video.